If you're seeing X or Twitter login error 7, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. Error 7 is usually tied to login issues, authentication problems, browser problems, or even a temporary restriction on the account. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this one. Let's start with the simplest fix first, checking your username and password. Open X and click Sign in. On the login screen, carefully re-enter your username, email address, or phone number. Then type your password again slowly and make sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or incorrect characters. If you have autofill turned on, it can sometimes save the wrong login details, so it's worth typing everything manually just to be safe. Once you've entered the correct information, try signing in again and see if the error clears. If you still get the same error, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old or corrupted site data can interfere with X's login process and trigger error 7. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time, then make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. When it's done, close your browser completely and reopen it before trying X again. Now, let's move on to another very important fix, turning off ad blockers, VPNs, and other extensions that may be blocking the login page. Extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or certain privacy tools can stop authentication scripts from loading properly. To check this, click the puzzle icon in your browser, then go to Manage Extensions. Look through the list and temporarily turn off anything that might interfere with X. If you're using a VPN, disable that as well for a moment because some login attempts can fail if the network location looks unusual. Then refresh X and try logging in again. If the issue is still happening, it's a good idea to check whether X is having server problems. Sometimes the issue isn't on your device at all, it's on their side. Open a new tab and go to Downdetector.com. Search for X and look at the report graph. If you see a spike in reports, that usually means other users are having the same issue, and the best solution may simply be to wait a while and try again later. Server issues often resolve on their own once the platform stabilizes. Another helpful step is resetting your password. If the error continues, the token linked to your account may be out of sync or temporarily rejected. On the X login page, enter your username or email and request a verification code or password reset. Follow the instructions sent to your email or phone, then create a new password if needed. After that, try signing in again with the updated credentials. This can often refresh the login session and fix stubborn authentication errors. If none of those steps work, wait a few hours and try again. In many cases, login error 7 is caused by temporary authentication problems, incorrect login details, browser cache issues, or network-related restrictions. Taking a short break and trying again later can sometimes be the easiest fix of all. So to recap, if you want to fix X.com or Twitter login error 7, first double check your login details, then clear your cache and cookies, disable ad blockers and VPNs, check for outages, and reset your password if needed. One of those steps usually solves the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.